Hi guys, in the last lecture we see what are position and their several types in CSS. Now in this lecture we talk about what are margins and paddings and how we use in CSS. So first I get rid of these tags here, styles, and so in second section I also delete these height tag. So first we talk what is margin. Margin is the space of outside the box. For example, this is our box and the outside all the space that we want to create using margin. So the first section I write here margin and 20 pixels. Save it and reload. So now you see our margin, all the sides have 20 pixels. If I want to increase them to 100 pixels, you clearly see. So I reload it. So now you see our first section margins from all the sides have 100 pixels. So if I want specific one, if I want from top of this box margin or space, so what would I do? For this, I write here margin and top. Save it and refresh. So now you see only the top of the space have 100 pixels because we write here margin top, that is 100 pixel. So only top of the box have a space. So if I want margin left 100 pixels, save it, reload. So now you see the top and the left have 100 pixels because we write here margin top 100 pixels and margin left from left side have 100 pixels. So that is the margin. It is the space outside the box. It is the space from another. So if I want margin bottom here and also 100 pixels, so now you see here you see our margin bottoms have increased 100 pixels. This is our space 100 pixels from the second section. So that is the margin. But if I want to use all side margin, we also have another things. I get rid of these margins here and I write here margin, and from top I want 100 pixels, from right I want 50 pixels, from bottom I want 50 pixels, and from left I also want 50 pixels. Save it and refresh. So now you see our box has top 100 pixels that we write here. This is our top. The second one, our left, our right. So in right here you see 50 pixels, and from bottom also 50 pixels, and from left also 50 pixels. This is our top, right, left, bottom, left. This is in clockwise. So you see first top, then right, and then bottoms, and here left. So that is our margin that has space around the box. So what is padding? Padding is the space inside the box. So if I want this first section have a space from their corner of red box, so I write here in first section I write here padding, and that is 100 pixels, and save it and refresh. So now you see our first section has increased from all the sides. From top we have 100 pixels, from right we have 100 pixels, from bottom we have 100 pixels, and from left we have 100 pixels. So that is inside the space of a box is called padding. So for margin there is a paddings have a many styles. If I want padding top, I write here padding top and I want 50 pixels. Save it and reload. So now you see only top of the padding is 50 pixels. So if I want padding right 100 pixels, save it. So now you see our top has 50 pixels and from right we have 100 pixels padding. So we also want shortcut of padding that we write here for margin. So if I write here padding from top 100 pixels, from left 100 pixels, from bottom 50 pixels, and from left 100 pixels. Save it and reload. So now you see from the top 100 pixels and right have 100 pixels and bottom 50 pixels and our left also has 100 pixels. So that is margin and padding. So you notice here if I want to delete this margin and clearly understand what is padding does. So now you see our paddings only paddings on the our first box. So only paddings in our first box. So this is width of 200 pixels. So this box has a width of 200 pixels. But after padding, its width also increase because we increase the inner because we increase the inner width of this box. So when we paddings here from top and bottoms not any issue because this is our height, but from left and right these are our width and have a paddings. So I write here in right 100 pixels and from left 100 pixels. So now our total width of this box is 400 pixels because this is our normal width 200 pixels and from left 100 pixels and from right 100 pixels. These are also 200 pixels and now total our width is 400 pixels. So for this issue we use a box sizing that is a very helpful and our original width is here. So box sizing border box. Save it and reload. So now you see our width is now small. This is our 200 pixels and we have this issue because of, so if I increase this to 400 pixels and reload it, so now you see our normal width is here and box sizing border box have resolved our issue, that's our increase of width. So that is the margin and padding. So here we end this lecture. Please like the video and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for these latest videos. Thanks for watching and keep practicing.